For the OBP matters, let me just manifest, Mr. Chair, Your Honors, that I only joined OBP po kasi itong August.
Okay.
So, and only as a spokesperson, I am only a consultant in the Office of the Vice President as her spokesperson. So, sa totoo lang po, I will not be competent to answer any questions as regards yung operations pa po talaga ng OBP sa at this point, Your Honors.
Do you have any authority from
Mr.
the
Chair,
Office of the Vice President?
Mr. Chair, I was not given po any authority today. I am appearing today because part of the invitations given to the DepEd family also included my name. So that is the only reason why I decided to appear po today before you.
We will now proceed to the... But before I recognize Congressman Valeriano, the Chair would like to recognize the presence of Honorable Clarice Ann Hernandez.
Yung House Committee on Appropriation issue a subpoena duces tecum requiring the COA to submit dito po sa amin sa House Committee ng audit report on the confidential fund ng OBP and the DepEd for the years 2022 and 2023. Pero after nun, a letter dated August 21 or 6 days before the House Committee on APRO was scheduled to hear, the OBP, through its Undersecretary and Chief of Staff, Attorney Lopez, advised COA against complying with the subpoena duces tecum.
23 budget, no? Sa NEP, 16 billion lamang. Paglabas po ng GAA, 28 billion na. 11.6 billion ang naidagdag. 2023 ha, 2024 sa NEP, 16.5 billion lang. Paglabas ng GIA, 28 billion na. 12.1 billion, 73% ang in-increase. Tanong namin dito, kailan pa po nagkaroon ng open public hearing para pag-usapan po ang budget ng Kamara?
Yeah, actually ano yan, kasama yan sa dinidiscuss kapag deliberation ng budget. So nagkakaroon ng portion kung saan dyan ay...
Kailan pa po ito? Kailan pa po ito pinag-usapan in open hearing at who defend the budget of the House?
Ang nagde-defend po niyan ay member of the House din. Kasama siya doon sa plenary deliberation.
Pero wala
So,
ito sa
every time
committee, ma'am?
palaging pahuli yan eh.
Wala ito sa committee?
Sa committee, wala po sa committee. Oo.
Ay, bakit wala sa committee, ma'am?
Oo.
Bakit wala sa committee? Considering, ma'am, Madam Chair, na lahat ng departamento, lahat ng bureau, pinasisipot ninyo eh. Bakit pa pinag-uusapan na ang budget mismo ng Kamara, ba't walang committee hearing na para ma'am, na mapapanood namin?
Oo nga, no? Wala po sa committee hearing yan.
Anong attached agency?
Palaging oo.
Anong attached agency eh? The House is one sole independent entity. Paano attached agency? Saan to naka-attach eh? Sa legislature, dalawa lang naman sila eh. Senate and the House.
Oo, oo. But usually, nakalagay siya sa ano tawag dito, sa plenary deliberations nilalagay. Hindi
Pero wala sa committee.
Wala sa committee, oo.
But is that appropriate?
Actually, that has been tradition.
Yun. Doon tayo pupunta. Ito yung time-honored tradition.
Oo, but we do not.
So, yung katanungan ko po sa COA, Commission on Audit, kay Ms. Martha Rosal. Ma'am, wala po yata si Honorable Cordova. Sa inyo na lang po, ma'am. Kung maalala niyo po, meron pong subpoena duces tecum requiring the COA to submit to the House Committee in regards to sa report ng confidential pa ng OBP and the DepEd for the year 2022 and 2023. Tama po?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair,
Please wait
Your
to
Honor,
be recognized. Ms. Martha Roxanne Sese, you are recognized.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, may I request for a repetition of the question, please?
Nakatanggap po kayo ng subpoena duces tecum requiring the COA, kayo po, to submit to the House Committee the audit report on the confidential fund ng OBP and the DepEd para sa taong 2022 and 2023. Tama po? Yung letter po is dated August, I think,
Yes, Office of the Vice President, ang Office of the Vice President ay maaari lamang magmungkahi ng kaukulan o karapat-dapat na budget para sa maayos na implementasyon ng mga proyekto laban sa kahirapan at mga programa